Steam Fan Customer Challenge. Today we're going to clean this greasy old transmission case with our engine drive unit. Customer wants to know how fast we can do it. We're going to do it with steam, no soap. Get her done, let it rock, baby. Steam is hot. 320 degrees. That's steam, baby. I've been waiting all morning to pull this trigger. On your marks. Get set. Steam. And there you have it. I'm not too wet, and this 1964 transmission case is clean. Not bad for steam. It took a few minutes. We'll get you the numbers on that clock. But all we did is, again, customer request, customer challenge. We do those. Took it out, cleaned it up, made it happen. We're going to ship it back because obviously they want this thing. What we did today is we used our little engine drive. This is what they wanted us to use, and nothing's little here at Sioux. This is our H3.5 D 3000G. Sounds like a lot of letters and numbers. Basically what it means is it'll do just about anything you want. It'll do steam, high pressure cold, or high pressure hot water, and you're looking at a very awesome system because you can tune it to the pressure you need. Today we use 250 psi at about 1.4 gallons per minute. No big deal, pretty easily manageable, but we can bump this machine by just twisting this dial over here all the way up to 3000 psi. And right here you'll see there is a little gauge where when you go to your location, you're just going to twist this handle and choose the pressure you want. Choose the pressure for the gunk, choose the pressure for the surface, choose your temperature. That's the beauty of this machine. Built to last, take it wherever you need to go. It does come with caster wheels, 100 foot of hose, the guns, wands, tips, you name it, she's ready to go. It burns gasoline with this trusty little Honda motor over here. That's your power, so you're not looking for electricity when you show up on site. It burns diesel for the burner. Get your water hot, get your steam ready to go. And this is the machine of choice. I've spent a lot of time with this machine. I'll take it up to any customer challenge. I'll take it to anywhere. Put it on a trailer, put it in a truck. You're set to go. This is Sioux's engine drive unit. Again, letters and numbers. H3.5 D for diesel, 3000 G for gas. Great little machine. Thanks for watching. That's all, folks.